Good morning, everyone. Last day we started chapter 6 of Geography textbook, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Till now, we studied about story of Salima, introduction with the story of Salima, and three categories, classification of natural vegetation, forest. After that, second was grasslands and shrubs. We have started the forest classification of forest and covered three major types of forest: tropical evergreen forest, which is also known as tropical rainforest. Second was tropical deciduous forest, which were known as which are known as monsoon forest. And third one was temperate evergreen forest, which are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. Today our next topic is fourth type, which is temperate deciduous forest. Students, at further higher latitudes, temperate deciduous forests are bound. As we go towards higher latitudes, there are more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. Where these trees are found? These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. As we have discussed in the last topic, evergreen forest do not shed their leaf and deciduous forest shed their leaves. In the same way, temperate deciduous forest also shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Common trees are oak, ash, and beech. And animals which we found in these forests are deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found in this region, जो इस एरिया में आपको मिल जाते हैं. In the same way, like tropical deciduous, rainfall is very slow or very low level at in this region. Next is Mediterranean vegetation. मेडिटेरेनियन वेजिटेशन जो नेम है वो मेडिटेरेनियन सी की वजह से है. मेडिटेरेनियन सी जो है एशिया, अफ्रीका, यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट्स के बॉर्डर पर एक सी है और उसके नियर बाय में जो वेजिटेशन है दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मेडिटेरेनियन वेजिटेशन. Most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. The west and southwest margins of the continents are different. West and southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia, hence the name. That's why this vegetation is also known as Mediterranean vegetation because it near or close by Mediterranean Sea, in the region of Mediterranean Sea, on the borders of Africa, Asia and Europe. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in the California in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America, and Southwest Australia. These regions are marked for hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. These areas are hot dry and with mild rainy winters. हल्की फुल्की बारिश होती रहती है जहाँ पर. Citrus fruits. Can anyone tell me about citrus fruits? Oranges, figs, olives, and cultivated. Grapes भी हैं. Grapes also include in this category. तो जितने भी खट्टे फ्रूट्स जो होते हैं, हल्का सा खटापन जो जिसमें होता है, उनको क्या कहते हैं? साइट्रस फ्रूट्स. So, citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes were commonly cultivated here. Grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. And one more important thing in this region, there is not much wildlife here because of the cultivation. The people of that region have expanded their cultivated area. That's why there is lack of wildlife area. Wildlife location जो है काफ़ी कम हो गई है यहाँ पर. Next is coniferous. Coniferous forest. In the higher latitude, 50 to 70 degree of northern hemisphere, and spectacular coniferous forests are found. Coniferous, as the name of the forest describes, like cone shape. ऊपर का जो एरिया है, जो पोर्शन है ट्रीज का, वो कैसा है? पॉइंटेड एरिया, कोन की टाइप. नीचे की तरफ से फैले हुए हैं ट्रीज और ऊपर की तरफ से कॉर्नर्स बने हुए हैं, पॉइंट्स बने हुए हैं, लाइक अशोका ट्रीज जो आप लोगों के घरों के आसपास देखा भी होगा आपने. These are also called as taiga. These are also called as taiga, which means pure. What is the meaning of taiga? Pure or untouched. These forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. These are the trees which Salima found in the Himalayas in abundance. They are tall, softwood evergreen trees which are very useful for making pulp. Can anyone tell me about pulp? What is pulp? We use notebooks, textbooks. तो ये कैसे बनती हैं पता है आपको? वुड से. वुड का पल्प बनाया जाता है, पल्प को फिर आगे प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, शेप चेंज की जाती है उसकी, पेपर तैयार किया जाता है पल्प से. सॉफ्टवुड एवरग्रीन ट्रीज, The woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. जो टेक्स्ट बुक आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, नोटबुक आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इवन हमारे घरों पर न्यूज़पेपर आते हैं, तो उसमें जो पेपर यूज़ लिया जाता है वो यहीं से तैयार होता है, इसी के पल्प से तैयार होता है वो. मैच बॉक्सेस and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Cheer, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in this forest. Cheer, pine and cedar are the important variety of trees in these forest. And animals which we found in this region, that are silver fox, mink, polar bear, which are common animals found in this region. Students, in this picture we may observe this type of forest, coniferous forest. ऊपर की शेप देख रहे हैं ना आप कैसी है, कोन के जैसी. आइसक्रीम का जो कोन होता है, like that. And during the winters, snow covered coniferous forest. Next is grasslands. Students, vegetation kind tropical grasslands. Mainly, grass grows in the area of moderate to low amount of rainfall. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grass can grow very tall, approx 3 to 4 meters in the height. Like this. The grass can grow very tall, about the 3 to 4 centimeters, 3 to 4 meters in height. Savanna grasslands is an example of this kind of grasslands. Which animal we may found here? Elephants, zebras, giraffe, deer, leopards are commonly found in this region, in this area. Second is temperate grassland. Tropical grasslands can grow very tall, approx 3 to 4 meters, but this type of grassland, temperate grassland, is short and nutritious. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones. Mid-latitudinal zones कौन सा है आपका? जो ये बीच का पोर्शन जो रह जाता है, ये तो है ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड्स, और ये नीचे की तरफ जो पोर्शंस हैं दोनों तरफ, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड्स. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Grass here is short and nutritious. And the animals category which we found here, wild buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are common in temperate regions. Next is thorny bushes. One more thing, in the tropical grasslands, height of the grass is high, approx 3 to 4 meters, but in temperate grassland, grass is small, short size. Next is thorny bushes These are found in the dry deserts like region. These are found in the dry deserts. Tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continent. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. हीट काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है यहाँ पे, बारिश कम होती है. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. Only mosses, lichens, and very small shrubs are found here. Which type of vegetation is this? This is kind of tundra vegetation. How we can identify? If you reach the polar region, you will find the place extremely cold. The growth of the natural vegetation is limited here. Only mosses, lichens, and very small shrubs are found here. It grows during the very short summer, and this is called as tundra type of vegetation. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia, and North America. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia, and North America. And the animals which we have found, which we may found in this region, have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. Like these animals. The animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. Seal, walrus, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear, and snow foxes are some of the animals which we may found in this region. After the discussion with Salima's father, Salima know that Salima knew that if the trees cutting like this, there will not be enough oxygen. Where will the wildlife go? Will the forest take its original shape again? And if the people go on cutting the trees like this, will there be enough oxygen, water vapor, timber fruits, nuts available in the future? कि अगर ट्रीज को ऐसे ही काटते रहे हम तो क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? Okay students, today we have complete revision work of chapter 6. Read this chapter attentively and find internal questions of this chapter along with exercise question answers. Do learn exercise question answers of this chapter and prepare for exams. Thank you.